Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new thing that is gender. So in the noun there are mainly two types of gender are there. So gender indicates whether a person or animal is male or female. It may also be neither male or female. Read the following sentences. Swati has a dog. Little Jack Horner sat on a corner. The baby is laughing. The table is made up of wood. In the above sentence, Swati is the name of girl while Jack is the name of boy. Hence, Swati is a female and belonging to the female gender. Okay, Swati is female gender. So, female gender. Jack is male and hence belonging to masculine gender. Okay, so first one female gender and the masculine gender. So female means female. Okay, that is easy to understand. And the second one is male. Jack is a male. Male means boys. Okay, males, and he is belonging to the category of masculine. Okay, masculine gender. There are two main genders in English language. But baby can be a girl or boy, so it's belong a common gender. So baby it's a boy or girl. There is no factor. It's belonging to a common gender. Table is a non-living object. It's neither a boy nor a girl. Hence, table belongs to the nectar gender. Thus, there are four genders in English language. Okay, so there are four. First one, masculine. Masculine is male. Female, that means female. Common is common gender. And non-living thing is nectar. Okay, so we can go through in detail. Masculine gender. The noun that refers to a male is known as masculine gender. All living males come under the category of masculine gender. Okay, so read the following example. Tiger is a ferocious animal. King Gyanendra is on a visit to India. His nephew is an MD. So I think you understood what is masculine or male gender. Okay, so under the male category we call them belongs to all the male names and male things we categorize into masculine gender. Okay, the next one is feminine gender. The noun that refers to female is known as feminine gender. The all living females come under the category of female gender. For the example, tigress is a ferocious animal. Queen Gayatri is on visit to India. His niece is an MD. So you have to distinguish between two first sentences and second sentences. First is tiger. Tiger's female is tigress. King's female queen. Nephew's female niece. Okay, then common gender. The common that refers to the both male and female is known as common gender. Both male and female come under this category. Read the following example. Manvi's class teacher is very good. So we don't know Manvi's class teacher whether it is boy or girl. We don't know. So we are under categorize one gender, that is common gender. We must respect our parents. So there is no categorization of the parents if it is male or female. So there is in common, parents is coming under the category of common gender. The doctor examined the patient. So there is no matter the patient is girl or boy or male or female. So it is also come under the category of common gender. Here are the some more example of common gender: pupil, baby, student, word, servant, child, ruler, singer, writer, dancer, engineer. So these all are the some of the example of common gender. Last one is nectar gender. The noun that refers to non-living things is known as nectar gender. All the non-living things come under this category. Okay, and the examples are: the car belongs to me. Car. So car is non-living things. So it's belong to me. My friend gifted me a pen. So pen is non-living thing. So it's categorized under the gender of nectar. He has purchased a new computer. So there is no gender mark is in the computer, so it categorized under nectar category. Okay, so we can learn some more masculine and female words. King, queen, sir, madam, drone, bee, stag, hind, uncle, aunt, master, mistress, host, hostess, husband, wife, wizard, witch, man, woman, monk, nun, nephew, niece, papa, mama, hero, heroine, brother, sister, duck, lord, lady, earl, countess, father, mother, poet, poetess, horse, mayor, boy, girl, gander, goose, bull or ox, cow, gentleman, lady, cock, hen, colt, filly, dog, bitch. So now write down the female of the following. So fox. Next one is dog. Third one author. Next one is uncle. Fifth one headmaster. Sixth horse. Husband. Cock. Now write the masculine of the following: cow, mayor, heroine, hen, queen, nun, lady, bride. And the next one work is mention the gender of the words in italics. Write F for female, M for masculine, and N for nectar, and C for common gender. Okay, first one, there are 20 girls and 15 boys in our class. So you can mark there are 20 girls. Girl is which one? Female. So you can write F. And 15 boys, masculine, M. And nectar, in our class. So there is nothing is there. Mother is F. Loves her child. Child is, there no distinction. There is no clear description about which child. So it's common. So you can write C. John is M. And he sat on chair. Chair is non-living things, that is nectar, N. Doctors, though no specification, so common. Should treat their patient also there is no specification, so it's also under the category of common, so you can write C. Dog is which one? Yes, it's M. It's faithful animal. So others also you have to complete like this. So these work you have to write in the notebook. Works are A, B and C. Okay. Write the female and write the male and mention the gender. Okay. Okay. Thank you.